Many parents wonder, is it safe for my baby to travel in a car seat for a few hours at a time? Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Patel, board certified pediatrician and pediatric critical care doctor, and medical advisor with Fem Health. With travel restrictions easing and families planning road trips, it's important to ensure your baby's safety and comfort during the journey. Let's discuss some tips to help you navigate car travel with your infant. Before going on a long drive, it is important to ensure that your baby's car seat is properly installed. Read the instructions that came with the seat and make sure it is rear facing and installed at the correct angle. This helps prevent your baby's head from slumping down and blocking their airway. It's always best to have an adult or responsible older child in the back seat with your baby. This allows you to attend to their needs, maintain their schedule as much as possible, and provide comfort and entertainment throughout the journey. Taking regular breaks is important for both you and your baby. Stop every 2 to 3 hours to stretch your legs, change diapers or clothes, and feed your baby if needed. Never attempt to breastfeed while the car is in motion. Plan your breaks ahead of time, know the locations of gas stations and rest stops, and consider baby-friendly hotels if you need a longer break. Remember, it's not safe for your baby to sleep in the car seat once you arrive at your destination. Pack a diaper bag or cooler for the back seat with essential items such as extra diapers, wipes, changing pad, clothes, and hand sanitizer. If you're bottle feeding, bring formula or breast milk in a cooling bag. Don't forget to pack pacifiers, soothing toys, books, and a device for playing music to keep your baby entertained. It's also important to have snacks and water readily available for yourself, but never leave your baby unattended in the car. When planning your trip, consider traveling during your baby's sleep times, such as early mornings or at night for longer journeys. This can help maintain their routine and ensure a smoother ride. Traveling with an infant can be unpredictable, so it's important to remain flexible and not get too stressed when things don't go according to plan. Focus on the positive aspects of car travel, such as the ability to take as many stops as needed and follow your own schedule. Finally, if you have any specific concerns or questions about traveling with your infant, don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician for guidance. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe below. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.